What if you don't tell the truth? That might feel worse. During break, Mia shows Rayan a hallway board titled Our Honesty Heroes, with smiling student photos. MIA. Remember when Amir spilled paint and told the truth? He got a badge and his photo on this wall, Rayan. But I broke a robot, not just paint. Mia. It's not about what you broke. It's about being honest. Rayan looks uncertain. That afternoon, Miss Tara sees Rayan sitting quietly while others read. Miss Tara. Rayan. Are you okay? Rayan. Miss Tara. I need to tell you something. I broke Storybot this morning. It slipped. I got scared and didn't say anything. Miss Tara. Thank you for telling the truth. That took courage. I'm proud of you for being honest. Rayan looks surprised, then relieved. The next day, Rayan walks in with his dad.
Ready to turn your creative ideas into stunning animations in just minutes? Welcome to MagicLight AI, where animation meets simplicity. No need for animators, complicated editing, or any prior skills. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly go from simple text prompts to full-blown animations, even entire AI-generated movies. The animation you just saw? I created it with just a few clicks. Stick with me as we explore how to design characters, add voiceovers, generate scenes, and publish your animations with ease. By the end, you'll be creating professional quality videos like a pro. Excited? Let's dive right in and bring your ideas to life. First things first, let's access MagicLight AI. You can visit their website by searching for MagicLight AI on Google or by clicking the link in the description below. And here is the real MagicLight home. To get started, click on Start for free. You'll see we have tutorials, which can be helpful for beginners. If we scroll down, we can see some community creations. You can check them out. With a quick tour of the dashboard, on the home screen, you can explore sample AI-generated animations. Click on any of them to preview and experience various styles, effects, and storytelling techniques. You'll also find two primary features. Create AI Video, for full animation projects, and Create AI Characters, for designing consistent animated characters. Now click on this Login button and sign up or log in using your Google account, Discord, or email. As I've already used the free credits, I'll go with a temporary email. If you want, you can try it too. Go to Google and type temp mail. Now click this one. Copy the email here and go back to MagicLight. Paste the email and select a strong password. Now click on this Send button. A confirmation code has been sent to the temp mail inbox. Go there and open it. Now copy the code and paste it here in MagicLight. Click on Create, and we're done. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the MagicLight AI homepage. Let's start. Alright, it's time for the fun part, creating our own AI video. Click on Generate AI Video. Here you can see this is the prompt section. You have two options here, generate from the prompt or use my content. To generate from a prompt, simply type your idea. You can also check out the sample ideas below if you need inspiration. If you don't like any of them, you can refresh the selection by clicking the refresh button. Once you find one you like, just select it and get started. And if you want to use your own content, simply paste it here. MagicLight allows free accounts to generate up to 3,000 character prompts, which is incredible compared to most AI generators that only handle short clips. If you're working on a YouTube series or a longer animation, this is a fantastic option. For the script, I'm going to take help from ChatGPT. Let's say I want an idea for my story, so I ask ChatGPT. Suggest 10 ideas for an animated kids' educational story that can teach a real-life lesson to kids. Use 2 kids as friends. And hit Enter. Now you can see ChatGPT has come up with different ideas. Select any one you like. Then ask ChatGPT to write a 3,000-word script based on the idea. I selected the 5th idea, so I copied it and pasted it here, then clicked Enter. Here we go. Let's copy the script and paste it into the MagicLight prompt box. Oh no! Our story exceeds the limit. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and type. The script exceeded 3,000 words. Please reduce it to 3,000 words max. Then press enter. Now this is the new version of our story. So copy it and paste it into the prompt box in MagicLight. Now, another thing you'll need to do is set up a few basic options. First, choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, go with 16:9. For TikTok or Instagram, use 9:16. Next, select your video language. MagicLight supports multiple languages, so pick the one that suits your audience. Then, choose your video mode. This defines the animation style. You can go for a comic, realistic, or cinematic approach. For this tutorial, let's go with Disney MagicLight. Click Next to proceed. MagicLight will break your text into numbered scenes, each representing a moment in your animation. You can edit any scene if needed, rearrange scenes by clicking the arrow, or remove any that don't fit by clicking the delete button. You can also merge two scenes. When everything looks good, click Next. Now, creating and customizing characters. Here you have two options: create your characters, or let AI create them for you. If you select AutoCast, MagicLight automatically detects key characters from your story and generates them for you. However, we can tweak them for further customization. Let's say I do not want this image. I'll delete it and create a new character. Click on Create. You can name your character, select a voiceover, their gender, and age. Now, you can select from these suggested characters, but I want my own. I asked ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the character in the story, and here is the prompt. So, I'll copy it and paste it into the prompt box. In the prompt section, enter a detailed description of your character. You can also upload reference images if you want the AI to match a specific look. Once you're satisfied, click Generate, then choose to either edit your character or, if it meets your expectations, click Apply. Next, create or tweak the other characters in your story. For example, I want to change the character of the teacher. Once everything is set, click Next. Now we're on step 3, Storyboard. You can check the quality of the images. On the top left, you can reduce the speed of the voiceover, add voiceovers, and background music. Start by adjusting the speed and selecting a voice actor.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Next, choose the right background music from a wide selection based on mood and theme. Adjust the volume to ensure it complements the narration without overpowering it. Now, MagicLight has generated an image for every scene. Preview the images, and if anything looks off, you can regenerate them. You also have the option to edit the image prompt before regenerating to ensure character consistency across all scenes. Next, let's bring these images to life. Choose a scene and click Animate. For the best results, use Animate Pro, Runway, or Halo AI to create high-quality animations. This tool adds professional motion effects to your scene and offers two animation modes: Intelligent Generation. Images are dynamically generated based on the screen content. Customized Prompt Generation. Images are created using tailored prompts that define specific details and styles. Choose what you prefer. If you are on the Pro plan, you can animate all the images at once. But I am on the free plan, so I cannot animate more than one image. Click Confirm, then wait for the AI to finish generating the video. Now, it's time to edit the video. Select the cover for your video. Then select any subtitle style, or if you don't want subtitles, then click on No Subtitles. After this, select any background music. Now, once everything is done and you're happy with the results, click Generate Video. Confirm the aspect ratio, and hit OK. MagicLight will now render your full animation. Just wait a few moments and let the magic happen. Once the rendering is complete, we move to step 4, previewing the video. You can either publish it directly or download the images and the full video from here. And that's it. You just learned how to create a full AI-generated animation using MagicLight AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more AI-powered content. If you want to try MagicLight AI yourself, check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to create with this tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.